List of expenditures, nakasulat doon. Ito yung paggagamitan, ito yung nakalaan, 125 billion pesos, tsaka pirma lang ni Colonel Lachica, tsaka tinatakan mo receipt. Ma'am, you are under oath. Pero sa dokumentong iyan, ma'am, walang naka-indicate doon sa isang napakasimpleng phrase. Tinanggap ko galing kay Gina F. Acosta yung perang 125 million pesos sa araw na iyan na makikita natin, alam ng taong bayan, makikita natin yan sa kahit anong simpleng transaksyon na kung saan may palitan ng kamay sa pera. Wala yan.
Gi-receive
Objection,
na
Your-
yun.
Objection,
I'm
Your Honor.
proving, I'm
Ask and
proving.
answer, Your Honor.
While indeed it was asked and answered, Counsel, I think Counsel is seeking clarification on this point. It affords the witness an opportunity to clarify her answer too, because she seems to be unsure. So I'll allow it for now, Counsel, with your indulgence. Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung katanungan ni Attorney Ligutan.
You want me to repeat the question?
Gipa-receive ko siya, Your Honor.
Ayun, exactly. Paulit-ulit po. I think alam po natin.
Pina-receive po at internal yung papel na nagsasabing ni-receive. Hawak niyo po ba yun ngayon? May kopya po ba kayong dala ngayon?
After po nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor, kinuha po ulit ni Security Officer Lachica, Your Honor.
Yung receipt, yung resibo na tinanggap niya yung pera, kinuha niya uli.
Kinuha niya na ulit, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po ako, Your Honor. Ang base po ng aking liquidation, Your Honor, is yung mga document po na binigay sa akin ni Security Officer after po, matapos po niya ma-implement on the grounds ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
Sorry po, Ma'am Gina, with the permission of counsels, with the indulgence of Attorney Ligutan as well. Nung binigay niya yung 125 million kay Colonel Lachica, may pinirmahan siyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 million. Pribadong dokumento, internal document na opisina niyo. Tama po ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
Nung nakapagbigay siya ng liquidation kung saan at paano niya ginastos yung binigay niyang 125 million, binawi na po niya yung pinirmahan niyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125 kasi na-liquidate na po niya.
Nagbigay po siya sa akin, after po Your Honor, nagbigay siya sa akin ng reports na tinatawag po namin na Fund Utilization Report.
Yeah. Pagbigay po niya nun, binawi niya na yung pinirmahan niyang resibo na tinanggap niya yung 125.
Wala pa, Your Honor.
Wala pa?
Kasi aking gitali po, Your Honor, na tama po ba ang kinuha niya na 125, ang binigay, ang nirelease ko sa kanya na 125, tama po ba sa kanyang binigay sa akin na Fund Utilization Report?
Okay, eksakto. Tumama.
Eksakto. So, nakagawa na ako ng accomplishment report based sa Fund Utilization Report na binigay sa akin ni CSO Officer
Binigay niyo na
Colonel
ba,
Lachica.
sinoli niyo na ba yung resibo sa kanya pagkatapos nun?
After po na tapos ko na aking liquidation, na isubmit po na po sa KUA, sa KUA.
Doon niyo na po sinoli yung...
Kinuha na po niya, Your Honor, kasi nakaliquidate naman po kami, Your
So
Honor.
wala na po sa kamay niyo, nasa kamay na po niya.
Wala na po sa akin, Your Honor.
At ganyan din po ang ginawa niyo sa taong 2023, doon sa tatlong 125. Pagkatapos niya, binigay niya yung pera, pinirmahan niya yung resibong tinanggap niya. Pagkatapos siya magbigay ng fund liquidation report at na-liquidate niyo at na-submit niyo na sa COA, kinuha na rin niya yung resibo. At wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I will. Now,
Attorney Ligutan, your witness.
hindi po ba at this particular moment, you cannot show any document. At this moment, ma'am, I'm narrowing the question, Your Honors. At this moment, wala kayong maipakitang dokumento o anuman na magpapatunay na tinanggap, inacknowledge ni Colonel Lachica yung pagtanggap niya ng 125 million pesos galing sa iyo sa araw na yan, December 20, 2022? Wala. Yes or no?
Objection, Your Honor. Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm asking for now.
Actually, asked and answered already.
Yes.
And I will have to sustain the objection
Yes,
already,
Honor.
counsel. That is already just for emphasis, and I think the witness has answered it already.
I will continue, Your Honor. Same po, sa 3 quarters ng 2023, binibigay mo yung pera sa isang non-accountable officer na hindi bonded, tsaka hindi ka makakapagpakita, 2023 this time, ng kahit anong dokumento ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 375 million pesos in cold cash, pera ng bayan.
Objection, Your Honor.
2023.
Misleading and asked and answered, Your Honor.
2023, Your Honor.
It's misleading, Your Honor, because the witness did not make any testimony as regarding the claim that the security officer is not accountable, Your Honor. And it's already asked and answered, Your Honor.
Counsel, I will have to sustain the objection, but on the ground that it is compounded, and if at all it is misleading, because the 375 million was not given one time to Colonel Lachica. You
I will
totaled
break it down, Your Honor, please.
You totaled it for her.
Okay.
Kindly modify.
I will break it down. Para naman sa first quarter ng 2023, binigay mo rin 125 billion pesos in cold cash to Colonel Lachica. Tama po ba?
Asked and answered, Your Honor.
I'm breaking it down. Yes or no?
Witness may answer.
Girelease ko po kay security officer kasi siya po ang itinalaga ng aming Vice President, Your Honor, at siya ang nakakaalam paano i-implement ang mga confidential activities, Your Honor.
There you go again. Now, for the first quarter ng 2023, wala ka ring maipakitang any acknowledgement receipt, any document ngayon na magpapatunay na tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos cash galing sa iyo for the first quarter of 2023. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your
Nagpa-receive
Honor.
po
Asked
ako,
and
Your
answered,
Honor.
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor, this is 2023. I'm breaking it down.
Counsel, let the witness answer.
Nagpa-receive po ako, Your Honor.
Ma'am, tanong, may dokumento kayo now na ipapakita in an impeachment trial sa harap ng ating mga senator judges, sa harap ng taong bayan na tinanggap nga ni Colonel Lachica yung 125 million pesos galing sa iyo?
Your
Ngayon.
Honor,
That's a very clear-
I would have to register a continuing objection to this line of questioning,
Napakasimpleng tanong po, Your Honor.
considering that it's already asked and answered. Your Honor.
Ngayon.
Counsel, you're on a short leash. I think the witness answered already from the questioning of the presiding officer himself. Although I know and understand it's for emphasis, but it can only go so far.
Yes.
The witness has already answered. So, ma'am, wala po kayong dokumentong hawak dahil nga binawi ni Colonel Lachica. Tama po?
Binawi po niya, Your Honor, pero nakagawa na po ako ng liquidation, Your Honor. Nakasubmit na po kami sa COA, Your Honor. Every time po, meron kaming confidential, Your Honor.
Apo, ma'am.
Nakaliquidate po kami, Your Honor.
Opo, naunawaan ko po
Alright.
yan. Pero klaro lang po na binawi nga po niya kaya wala po kayong kopya.
Yes, Your Honor.
At yan po yung
Pagkatapos.
kinagawian na nyo noong 2022 last quarter, first, second, at third quarter ng 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Opo, tama. Okay. Kaya wala po kayong hawak na kahit anong dokumento ngayon dahil na kay Colonel Lachica na at binawi po niya.
Ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.